Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I have three amazing and very useful application for every Android user. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first application I have in my list is that is Click Assistant Auto Clicker. Yes, that is an amazing application. Let me just click on open and open this application and let me show you how this will work. Now first of all, when you open it, it will ask you some permission. You have to allow some permission and then you will be reaching on this page. Now here you have to click on this start services, and then you will be getting a panel on the right side. This is the panel which you will be getting, and when you come out of this application, this panel will always there on your screen. Now what exactly this will do? Most of the time you have seen that when you go to the Facebook, there are so many of posts we have to see one by one, and we scroll it down like this, one by one, like this. See this? I'm scrolling it down, but let's suppose if you are busy and you won't able to scroll it down, then you can able to use this application. Simply you have to click on this icon here, this one, and then your screen will get white. Simply you have to slide it on the upside like this. The moment you do this one, there is an icon automatically comes in, and then you have to press this play button and your screen will automatically start scrolling it down. See this? It's scrolling it down. I'm not doing anything. It's automatically doing that for me. And you can use this application on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere. And that will really amazing for you. You can also increase and decrease the speed of your scrolling. Like you can also make it more slow or make it more fast as well. So that is really amazing application. You must try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second application, and the second application is also very useful, and the application name is Price History for Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and more. Yes, simply open this application again and open this. And on this application, you will be getting the price history of any product. You must be doing online shopping on Amazon, Myntra or any other application. And then on this application, you can able to compare or check the price history of any product. Let's suppose this is the shoes here. I'm going to click on this one and click on this check price history. And then I will be getting the price history of that product. That was 942 is the current price. Lowest price was also 942 and highest price was 2851. And right now it is at the best price. You can see this one. This is the chart on the top. This is the price history of this product as well. So that is really amazing. Before buying on any online application, you should come on to this one and check the price history of any product. Not only this, you can also search here. Simply press on the bottom here. Let's suppose if I search here the camera, and I will be getting so many of options of cameras which are available here. And let's suppose if I click on this one here and check the price history of this product. Here we go. Now you see this one. This is the product, and I need to click on this track on the bottom, and the moment I click on this track, I will be getting the price history of this product. So here you can see this one. The current price is 3,599, but the lowest price was 2,695. And the highest price was 4,231. So that means right now it is not at the best price. So if you want to buy this one, then you have to wait a little bit, and you will be getting this same product at 2,695. That is a really amazing application. You must try this one if you love to shop online. So link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the last application, and the last application is really beautiful application, and the name is Quick Cursor One-Handed Mode. Yes, simply open this one and allow some permission, and then you will be reaching on this page. This is the normal page of setting and the interface of this application. Now here, what exactly this application gonna do for you? On this application, you can able to use your phone with one-handed. Yes, simply you have to swipe it on the home screen on the right side, and you will be getting a cursor. See this? This is the cursor which you will be getting here, and that cursor you can use it with your thumb, and the same small cursor will also move it on your phone screen as well. Let's suppose if I want to open this Play Store, I don't need to go to the Play Store. I simply just use the cursor and click on this Play Store, and my application will automatically open up. Anything I want to click on this one, I can click on this cursor and it will show me here like this. See this? This is really amazing. If you're using a very big phone, or you always have your one hand is busy, or you want to use your phone with one-handed, then you can try this application that is with the cursor. So try this application as well. This is the application number 3. You will surely like this one. So link of these application I will be putting in the description. You can check it from there. Any questions, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.